Nigerian businessman Pablo Vance has publicly denied rumors that he is involved in a romantic relationship with Ngizwe Mkunu's estranged wife, Flora Mtimkulu, better known as Flora Gray. The speculation erupted after a video of Flora attending a house party in Cape Town circulated on social media, with many users claiming she was accompanied by the businessman. In response, Pablo took to Instagram to set the record straight, dismissing the allegations as fake news and insisting that he does not know Flora personally. He explained that both of them attended the birthday celebration independently and that there were more than 30 other men present at the event. Pablo also expressed a frustration at being singled out simply because he is a well-known figure, urging people to stop spreading misinformation and respect the truth. His statement has sparked widespread debate online, with some social media users accepting his explanation while others continue to speculate about the nature of their connection.